Daalụkwanụ ndị ọma na-ege ntị. Ekene m onye ukwu, kene onye nta, kene nwoke, kene nwaanyị, wee sị nke onye chiri onye azelu. Abịago m na mgbede anụ a nna anyụ n'ụfụ na anọrọ m na be m, nwere ebe m nọ. Anọ m ebe ụmụazị na-egwu egwu, nsị ka m rapụgodo ha ka ha gụọ egwu ka m mee quick one. Listen and listen attentively. Nke ọ dị ka destiny na-echenji color. Na ndị be anyị na-ege m ntị, ọ dị ka m ga-asụgodo obere oyibo first, m ga-asụ obere broken ma ọ bụ pidgin, nke ọ bụla ị kpọrọ ya nya bụrụ. Greetings, lovers of freedom. I just want to use 30 minutes of my time to pass this message to Biafrans and lovers of freedom, wherever you are watching. And my topic this evening is, where are the so-called Igbo leaders? Where are the so-called Igbo leaders in Igbo land, in the southeast, to be precisely? Before I proceed, let me make this quickly announcement. Tomorrow, being Friday, 22nd of July, 2022, there is nothing like sit at home. Don't mind any inconsequential human being or inconsequential person or group of persons. Disregard any information that is coming like that. There's nothing nobody is ordering sit at home tomorrow. So please, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, please disregard such an information. It's fake and it's dead on arrival. It's fake. Nobody fixed it at home. The IPOB leadership, the IPOB worldwide, have never one day put fixed sit at home on tomorrow, being the 22nd of July 2022. So disregard anything that you are hearing or any person. Don't listen to inconsequential human beings. They are of no use. They are irrelevant in as much as this Biafra restoration is concerned. So yes, praise Nikidom. No, I think is it 7 p.m. or 8 p.m.? I think it's 8 p.m. Biafran time. I don't think, but nevertheless, just if some members of DOS just come online, please alert me so that I will drop my own, because their own is more important. So Biafran is 7:30. Okay, somebody say it's 7:30, but nevertheless, once they come online, they come on air, please alert me so that I will quickly switch to their own, because I can miss such an exclusive interactive section from some members of the Directorate of State. So we have to listen attentively. Thank you, Karagold, for the time. Now, Biafrans and lovers of freedom, the killings in Biafra land is no longer a thing. So you will say, oh, they are killing IPOB. What happened at our mama in Imo State is not a coincidence. It's not a mistake. What happened that place is well-planned genocide, and the hope was that they might carry it out. There is a video. I wish I'm at home. I will play the video to you all for you to watch. The Ebubagu group who invaded that house, they arrested one alive and they shot him at his leg. They shot him. And in that very video, you will see that the information reaching me indicates that the Ebubagu is accusing the Imolite of aiding or working with ESN. And that's why they are killing Imo youth, unarmed Imo youth. Last time I checked, if somebody commits a crime, or maybe you are suspecting somebody to be something, what you need to do is to arrest the person. The question I want to ask now, why the Ebubagu, why are they not arresting those people and charge them to court? What is the function of the court? According to the Zoo Republic, they say that they have judiciary, and the judiciary is the only person who has the capacity to condemn any person, regardless, even if you hold the person with a gun, you don't have any right to shoot the person. Be you a police officer, be you Nigerian soldier, be you a vigilante group. In that Nigerian constitution, you don't have any right to shoot any individual. Once you capture the person, anyone you capture or you arrest, you take the person to the court. When the judge proved the person to be guilty of the offense you accused the person or you suspected the person to be to involve, at that point you now execute the person according to the judgment passed by the chief judge of that very judiciary. Now, why is Ohaneze Ndị Igbo and the Igbo leaders, why are they not speaking up for the killing of innocent youth? All of us know how the Onongo men rises. The Onongo men rise because of this very injustice. All of a suddenly, the Ebubago, a local vigilante, is now killing innocent youth. Not even Nigerian army, not even Nigerian police. A vigilante. When did a vigilante start going house to burning house? We have Amatokun. Is Amatokun not a vigilante group? Have you heard that Amatokun arrest any Yoruba person? Have you heard that Amatokun have destroyed any Yoruba house? Have you heard that even a kidnappers in Yoruba land, you have never seen any of their building being demolished because they are involved in kidnapping? But today in Biafra land, all kind of atrocities are being carried out by the so-called security apparatus or security forces created to protect the lives and properties of the citizens, the indigenous people. All of them. Why is the Igbo leaders, why are they not speaking up? If I may ask, why are they not saying anything about it? Why they silent? What happened in our mama? If the Igbos keep silent, it doesn't matter. It took place in Imo State, but I wasn't expecting only the Imo youth to come out in that protest. All of us remembered what happened in EndSARS. Many of you don't know that EndSARS erupted because of the SARS killed one person in Delta State. In Delta State, remember, the EndSARS protest you saw that shake the whole Nigeria started in Delta State when one person was shot dead by the SARS people. Then the protest start from Delta and other states joined the protest. Fred Jog, buonasera. Today, the Igbo youth, this is not IPOB because you don't expect IPOB to make a statement where there is a leadership, where there is a Ohaneze Ndị Igbo, where there is a traditional rulers, where there is governors, where there is a representatives, elderly state person. When it comes to issue of IPOB, when it comes to issue IPOB can take it upon themselves. But the killing you are seeing today, they are not killing IPOB members. They are killing the people, the Igbo youth, innocent one, who have not attended any IPOB meeting, who have not been identified with IPOB, not to talk more of identifying themselves with ESN. Now, it is the duty of the Ohaneze Ndị Igbo to checkmate the activities of Hope Uzodinma. Does it mean that Hope Uzodinma is bigger than every traditional ruler in Igbo land? Does it mean that Hope Uzodinma is bigger than every human being in Igbo land? Why is it that the whole Igbos cannot rise up and say enough is enough with the Hope Uzodinma's atrocity? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu once said, and I quote, "If you killed all your mad people because you think they are mad, when other people brought their mad people to attack you, who will you bring out to defend yourselves? To attack them? Obulinu buluka. Obulinu buluka." As it is now, to be honest with you, what I am expecting from the Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, I don't know if we still have leaders, Igbo leaders in Igbo land. I don't know if we still have Igbo leaders, because since the killing for more than 1 year now, the killing and the unrest in the East, I have not seen any Igbo group, whether is it Igbo Ohaneze youth or Ohaneze older or traditional rulers. I have not seen any Igbo group that have come out to condemn the atrocities, not only by Hope Uzodinma, but also by the Fulani henchmen and the other people. Where are the Igbo leaders? Where are the so-called Ohaneze? Now, where you will see them is, IPOB should allow election to hold. Then you will see that there is a group of people called elders. So at that point, you will see there is a group of people called elders in Igbo land. Emelanyi Feme. In Yoruba land, how many times did the Fulani attack Yoruba land before the elders or the traditional rulers come together to show why they are the traditional rulers, to show that they are the custodians of the land? Today, we don't have any custodians of the land. We only have all our phone tools. When the unknown government will rise again and start kidnapping them, because once you keep silent as a leader, automatically you are encouraging, you are among them. So the Igbo leaders are waiting for IPOB, who they reject and tag as a terrorist, to speak for them. Igbo leaders are waiting for the IPOB, who they kidnapped their leader, and they have not issued any statement to show concern about the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You want them to come and be fighting every fight in Igbo land. You forget that IPOB is not just for Ndi Igbo. IPOB is for Biafrans. Now, if we start abusing them again, they will say, IPOB, we don't respect our elders. IPOB, we use abusive words. You see the reason why there is no any Igbo person that has any respect before others. Now, let me tell you, because of the silence and the weakness of Ndi Igbo, do you people know that when these so-called politicians were making a round consultation for primaries, do you know that Tinubu traveled the whole north and visited important people like emirs and those that fought for independence of Nigeria, and they even visited the late Umaru Yar'Adua's wife and the other people, and also visited many people in Yoruba land? Do you know that Tinubu never visited Igbo land? Are you people aware of that? That Tinubu never visited, consulted Ndi Igbo for anything? Because denouncing Ndi Igbo as children. When they are consulting important personnel, they don't consult Igbos. When last did you hear that a presidential aspirant is coming to visit a social traditional ruler in Igbo land? When last did you hear that? Na ken kefo na ezuzu ezuzu. Now, if you people don't know, go and check it. There is no way before you will see Peter Obi going to the north to visit Emir. He forgot that Emir is a king. He forget that Emir is a traditional ruler. And he never asked himself, his opposition, his opponents that are coming, how many Igbo traditional rulers are there coming to visit? Okay, my brother, there are. I think they will be playing music. Sam Eke, thank you, Mwachineke. I thank you for reminding me. Just let me round up. But I thought it's 7:30. Let me round up. The same thing to Tinubu, to Atiku. Atiku never visited any person. Atiku never visited Igbo land. Okay, thank you, Karagold. Atiku never visited any Igbo land because they don't regard any of them. Because when things is happening, let me tell you, if Peter Obi cannot come out to condemn the killing in Imo State, now what make him to qualify as a president? He have lose every legitimacy to run for presidency. Peter Obi should be the first person condemning the killing in Imo State. Peter Obi is supposed to be at the forefront, even leading the Imolite for protest to show that he has the mind of people. But where is Peter Obi? Coastal Region Coalition TV, greetings from here. Where is Peter Obi? He never even come out. But let me tell you, if that killing took place in the north, you will see the stupid, useless Peter Obi. He will even fly there to go and donate money. He will fly and donate money there. You could have seen Okezi Bazu donating 500 million to the family. You could have seen Pastor Chibuzo, the OPM pastor, telling you, let the family come and stay in my estate. OPM, all these useless pastors that are using the weakness and the evil that is happening in our land to form good. If Peter Obi meant well, okay, I will be rounding up. Once I have my second phone here, I'm listening. Once they start, I will call it. I will stop. In fact, let me call somebody to help me stream it. One of my admin, I don't know if any admin is watching me here. If you are one of my admin, if you are free, can you help me stream the broadcast of DOS so that this one will stop, as I'm not at home now. I believe one of my admin will help me out. So on this note, let me round it up here. On a final conclusion, there is nothing like sit at home tomorrow. Biafrans, I urge every Biafrans to go about their business, carry out your business as a law-abiding citizen. Go about your business. If anyone harass you, harass the person. So don't listen to any inconsequential person or group of people. They are not IPOB and they don't have what it takes to order anything apart from Mazen Namdekan and the leadership of IPOB. So disregard any information that is telling you that on 22 is a sit at home. Disregard it. It's a fake news coming from the mouth of fake people and fake persons. That is the handwork of DSS. DSS is trying to cause a division or cause a commotion. So don't listen to such information. Thank you and remain blessed until I come your way again.